Welcome back to our channel. Say goodbye to dust, dirt, and messy floors with the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A robot vacuum and mop. Built with powerful suction, advanced edge cleaning, and smart navigation, it ensures every corner of your home gets a deep and thorough clean. From carpets to hard floors, this all-in-one robot vacuum and mop takes care of it all with ease. Unmatched Cleaning Power. Enjoy industry-leading 17,000 pascals hyperforce suction. With up to 17,000 pascals strong suction, it easily overcomes all cleaning challenges, powerfully lifting hair, debris, dust, and dirt from carpets and hard floors into the dustbin. Optimized airflow ensures thorough cleaning in tight corners and under furniture for a spotless home. Masterclass maintenance-free experience. All-in-one multifunctional dock 3.0 with hot water in this robot vacuum. Up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water mop washing and self-cleaning bring cleaning to the next level, easily getting rid of stubborn stains and maintaining a spotless home environment. A dust bag as large as 2.7L supports over 60 days of hassle-free cleaning. Advanced corner-to-edge cleaning. Flexi arm design side brush and mop revolutionize edge cleaning. With an extendable arc side brush and mop, it perfectly reaches corners and walls to realize seamless cleaning. The 200 RPM dual rotation mops, combined with 30 water flow levels, deliver an unparalleled cleaning experience. Smart obstacle avoidance and AI-driven cleaning. Precisely navigate and avoid obstacles with reactive tech obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR navigation. In this robot vacuum several seconds, it accurately avoids obstacles and manages the most efficient path to achieve thorough cleaning. Excellent strategies for carpet cleaning. Mop and vacuum of this robot vacuum in one clean with up to 10 mm auto mop lifting. Dual mops can lift automatically when detecting carpets to ensure smooth cleaning. Control at your fingertips. Manage all things with the upgraded Roborock app. Advanced AI algorithms. This robot vacuum ensure smarter, stress-free cleaning. Diverse functions, including routines, map details, washing temperatures, drying duration, and maintenance conditions, are easily managed in the app. With the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A robot vacuum and mop, keeping your home spotless has never been smarter or easier. Enjoy effortless cleaning and more free time every day. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.